It's me again. So today I just kind of want to reflect on unexpected blessings. Life is exactly what you make of it. Uh, there are some days where things are not going to go in the order that you want, that you planned, that um, your heart truly wanted and desired. So you got to look at the bigger picture that we're not running the show. The big man upstairs is. So we need to take a deep breath in those moments and just regather ourselves and maybe change our perspective, like what good is going to come out of whatever negative schedule change or unexpected situation. Maybe you're on your way out the door, but then you spill your coffee all over yourself and you're like, oh man, now I gotta clean this up and I'm gonna be late. But in the process of you being late, you like avoid a whole 10 car pileup. It just, life is beautiful in that kind of way. So we have to really look at the bigger picture and what he wants for us and his plans, because we have no control. And that's okay. It is okay not to be okay. It is okay to give him that power and that control over our lives and just submit to it. It's easier said than done. I get that. Wholeheartedly, I get that. Every day I fight and struggle with things like that too. So make today absolutely amazing. Look at all the beautiful blessings in front of you. Try to turn those crazy situations into something positive and just laugh at it. Just get a better perspective and find the funny in his sense of humor. I mean, at the end of the day, what are we really going to do, right? Like, at the end of the day, what can we really do to, you know, alter and change all that negative? You can clean up the mess. You can slow down so you don't cause an accident. Like, think about what you can do and what is in your control and roll with that. And don't let it destroy your day. Find the funny in it and just embrace the life that you were given. In case someone's told you today, you are strong, you are amazing, I love you, and you are worthy.